We are at b2p1 looking at some calculus problems. We're in the section of related rates, and if you click on that button there, you should get, well, I think there's 6 different problems or something, but if you click on this, eventually this one's going to come up. Okay, we got let P, W, and L be differentiable functions of T. We want to find dP over dt when P is equal to 2W plus 2L. Now, the reason we're starting off, this section here was kind of an introduction, working some easy problems, and this is really going to get into, you've probably all seen this before, this, right? P could stand for perimeter, width, and length. However, we're not looking at it that way. It's just a simple equation. All right. We want to find dP over dt. So let's move into the classroom and write this out. Let me make sure. Okay. So we want to find dP, and that's actually a capital P there, over dt. All right, that's supposed to be a capital P. Okay, so this is what we're asked to find. And so the P, like I said, could stand for perimeter. Just giving you a heads up on that. And make sure I got this in the right order. 2W, 2L. So 2W plus 2L. And we want to find dP over dt. So we're going to take the derivative of this. And so, for example, the derivative of P is 1. Okay, I guess I'll just go ahead and write that. And then we're going to write dP over dt. Alright. And we take the derivative of this guy, and the derivative of 2w is just 2. And then we're going to write dw over dt. And of course, once again, 2 times dl over dt. Alright. It's kind of crooked, but you get the idea. So dp, and you know what? Let's scribble that out. dp over dt is equal to, kind of clean this up, dw over dt plus dl over dt. And oh my god, what have I done here? Let's not forget the 2's that are supposed to be in here. Man, this has gotten messy. Anyway, so you get the idea, okay? And we will be working some application problems with this, where this is actually the perimeter, the width, and the length of a rectangle. Okay, well, that's enough with that. Actually, let's just come over here. As you can see, that's a whole lot nice and neater. All right. Okay, we're in this section this time, and you want to click that. Excuse me. To come up, remember where you are. You're at b2p1.com, and if you want, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. Eventually, at some point in time, I'm going to have a contest. I'm going to randomly select a subscriber and send them a $100 bill. So that's going to happen sometime in the future. I'm not exactly sure when, but I'll be having that contest coming up. I just added this to the channel, by the way. You can come down here, start a discussion if you want, or you can send me a quick chat message here, and this is actually a live chat, believe it or not, or I call it a chat, live message board, whatever you want to call it. Alright, go here, click, 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 practice, practice. I got all kinds of application problems in here. Alright, bye.